Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to JASMY video update. This is Sunday 13th of November. Again, we're looking to make some little bit of a sideways movement. Now the question really is that I was thinking about is if JASMY is actually interested to go and backtest this last level of support that it lost, because you haven't really backtested this one as resistance. So basically there could be a little bit of a chances to move up to 436 before actually continuing even lower. But rest assured, you know, in this very quick 1 minute, potentially 1 minute video update, we're still looking for JASMY to potentially continue dropping lower to that box that I've given you for a very long time, which is 1738, actually between 19 and 16. So what do you guys think? When is it actually going to reach that technical target? Let me know in the comments. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. Thank you so much for watching. Nothing fancy here, but do expect it maybe to still try to backtest this level. But even if it doesn't, regardless of this one backtesting or not, you know, the target remains. It doesn't really matter if you're gonna go up or not. What matters really is that it comes down to that target. What happens here is not something I'm going to trade, but what happens down when it comes here is when I'm going to consider trading. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. Just a quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.